Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a quick unbox video on the Noctua NF-A14 FLX 140mm fan. I looked online before buying the fan and I couldn't find an unboxing video, so I made my own. So there's the front and the back really quick. All this marketing material is there on the website, which I'll link below so you can take a look at it at your leisure. I got this box shipped from the United States to the United Arab Emirates, so there's a bit of damage, but it's mostly fine. It's packed pretty well. So here's a look at the contents. Included are two low noise adapters. One's like a 900 RPM low noise adapter, and the other one's a 1050 RPM low noise adapter. So there's the first one. This is a 3 to 4 pin adapter, or 4 to 3 pin rather. There's the fan itself, which you'll just keep it to the side for now. Here's another low noise adapter. And this is an extension cable, which is about 30 centimeters. Four screws, which so that you could attach your fan to your PC case rather. And there's four vibration compensators in the box. And here's a look at the fan itself. It's been a pretty great fan so far. So if you're on the fence about getting it, I would definitely recommend it.